Hi Dale, it's Steven, 616 Marketing Group, and received your ticket 10333 regarding the donation button for Westside Christian School. Want to walk through this real quick. Hopefully this quick visual will be helpful. I was not able to immediately recreate any issues. Let me walk through this, and if you could give me a little bit more context as far as when you were noticing any issues, if there were any errors on the page, and then what the URL, website address was when you experienced any issues. Of course, we're happy and we'll help resolve anything. First step of troubleshooting for me is generally to recreate the issue, look at any variables and any errors and being able to fix from there. So having said that, I navigated to this page for support WSCS through the Give drop-down, and I clicked on Support WSCS. And so some of these call to actions here, I see a Give Now. I'm clicking on that, and there's a few different drop-downs here as well. So that ends up going to, okay, we have a Giving Tuesday, Loyalty Drive, and the rest here. So when I'm going to Giving Tuesday, and we have other clients using this donation feature as well through PayPal, which works whether they have a PayPal account or just need to input a debit or credit card. And when I'm clicking on this, it's going to a separate website that we do not control, which is bidpal.net. So if there's supposed to be a call to action for donations or anything here, I do agree with you that this is not something I'm seeing. So if I'm going back to here and we're clicking on Loyalty Drive, clicking Donate, now this is directly going to the feature that you guys have for PayPal donations. So, and again, whether if I have a PayPal account or not, so if I just donate with a debit or credit card, an amount is required. Let's put that in. Debit or credit card. It would not be crazy if that just went through. But yeah, the $10 million here, putting in the credit card information, that should just go through just fine on that. And this is controlled by PayPal. So going back, tuition assistance, there's also Donate here. That is functioning, getting to the right screen. Educational Foundation, clicking Donate, looks successful. So perhaps there's something that I have missed, that you're looking at a different link or a page. If you could be so kind to let me know on that, and would be happy to help from there. So thank you.